हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं यूनिट नंबर 3 ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट सोशल मीडिया एनालिटिक्स। तो यूनिट नंबर 3 है सोशल नेटवर्क एनालिसिस और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं टॉपिक नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर? सी, एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम, the network structure, it is a combination of nodes, and at every node there is some person or some organization. So at the center there may be one person and many other people are connected to that person. So if this type of network we are having, we say it is a network structure, and we can analyze this network to identify useful information. So first network is the friendship network, the most common type of social media network that is available on Facebook is the friendship network. It is also available on Google Plus and Cyber. So friendship network let people maintain social ties and share content with people they are closely associated with, such as family and friends. If we are working in a particular organization, then we are making friends with them. So we will have a friend network or we will have the organization network. Nodes on this network are people and links are the social relationship like friendship network, family activities, everything can be shared and we are all informed about what is happening in the real world. Then comes the following network. So user follow or keep track of other users of interest. Twitter is a good example of the following network where users follow influential people, brand and organization. Like on a Twitter, people can identify different people who are influencing their lives and they can click and follow them. Similarly, if you are an influencer, then people will start following you and there will be a network where you are at the center and other people are around you following you. So nodes on this network are people, brands and organization, and links are the following relationship with whom we are following and with those people who are following us. So two common terminologies that are used in the Twitter network is first is the fan network. So a fan network is formed by social media fans or supporters of someone or something such as product, service, person, brand, business or any other entity. The network formed by the social media users subscribed by your Facebook fan page is an example of a fan network. Nodes in these network are fans or links. They represent co-likes, co-comments and co-shares. So a fan network is very important on the Twitter. If we different people have the same interest or they have like the same type of comments or they like the same type of topics to share and reshare, then similar people can be grouped in under the fan network and then they will be proposed or recommended with the similar product or services or videos or photos at a later stage. Then comes the group network. Group network are formed by people who share common interest and agenda. Most social media platform allow the creation of group where each member can post, comment and manage in group activities. For example, the social media groups are Twitter professional groups, Yahoo groups, Facebook groups. Nodes on this network are group members and links can represent co-commenting, co-liking and co-share. So we can create a group of people. They can create their own network and then they can start talking to each other. Similar things are happening on WhatsApp. So I know each and every person in this world who is sharing photo, video, information is definitely using WhatsApp because it's a good way of communication. We are forming groups and then we can share similar message at one time to all the members by sharing it in the group. So co-like, co-commenting, co-share is possible on the group network. Then comes the professional network. So LinkedIn is a very good example of a professional network where people manage their professional identity by creating a profile that lists their educational qualification, current company, their achievements, education, work history, and their interest. So nodes on this network are people, brands, and organization, and links are the professional relationships such as co-worker, employee, or collaborator. An important feature of the professional network is the endorsement feature where people who know you can endorse your skills and qualification. If you open the LinkedIn page, you will be able to see how people endorse to our skills. So let me show you my Facebook page. Here, I will try to open this on Google. I will write here LinkedIn and my LinkedIn page is open. So if you see my LinkedIn page, then the information that is displayed over here, this is the information which I might have subscribed or I might like this information. So introduction to Python, programming, introduction to machine learning, pandas. So all these type of information, they are useful for me and that is why it is displayed on my page. If I open my profile, then I can see how many people I am connected to, that is the followers and the following network. Then I can move further. So you can see my qualification and experience over here. And from this qualification and experience, you can find out how much work has been done. I can also show the projects which I have worked on. And then you can see the skills which I have acquired. It may be the programming knowledge skills or any other skills. Then here it also shows some kind of endorsement, like if people endorse to our skill, then it is shown on the home page. So let's move further in the presentation. Now comes the content network. So content network are formed by content posted by the social media users. So a network among YouTube videos is an example of the content network. In such a network, nodes are social media content such as video, tags, and photos, and link represent, for example, similarity content belonging to the same category that can be linked together. So for example, I'll show you my content network, that is my YouTube channel. So if you open my YouTube channel, then you will see on the dashboard whatever content I have shared, I have posted, and you can see my channel analytics. So here is my channel analytics on the dashboard when I open YouTube. So it also shows that which content is getting more views, more likes, depending on the views I can understand about my content. Then it also shows that what is the reach of my channel, who are my audience, and which videos are doing well. So the top videos will also be displayed over here. Then it also shows that the network, here it shows that how the promotion of your total traffic. So WhatsApp promotion is 36%, Google search is 25%, Google Classroom is 13.8%. Means people have posted my link on Google Classroom. Then web whatsapp.com, from here it is 6% and from Bing it is 2.7%. So from which particular links people are coming to my channel, I can see from here. So I am able to understand how to increase my growth based on this information. Now let's see the co-authorship network. So co-authorship network, here two or more people working together collaborate on a project. Wikipedia is a good example of social media based co-authorship network created by millions of authors from all around the world. A more explicit example of the co-authorship network is the ResearchGate platform. It's a social networking site for researcher to share article, ask and respond to research question and find collaborators. In this network, nodes are researchers and the link represent the co-authorship relation. So here, if you open the ResearchGate, you will be able to see the information about the various articles that are posted by me. So I will show you my ResearchGate. ResearchGate. So it's a find and search research. So join for free or login. So if I log in, continue with the Google, then I'm able to see the information. So here I'm able to see which are the articles and how these articles are connected to my network now and who are reading or interested in my article. So if I search here ResearchGate, so I am even getting replies on who are the people who are reading our articles and what is their area of interest. See, here my name is displayed, then my college information and department is displayed, then it is also showing the 3 publications, Scopus publications that I have done. First article is an efficient computational method of motif finding in Zika virus genome. Second is an innovative computer programming based analysis of Zika virus. Then third paper is genetic behavior of Zika virus and identification of motif. So these articles are written and my co-guide is Dr. Jitendra Kumar Saini sir. So he is also, his name is also shown here. So this type of network will help whenever sir writes some article, then it is displayed or suggested to me to read out. Same way when I write something, it will be displayed to sir and people in our network. So this is how the social network gets publicity. This is a conference paper. The second paper is a conference paper, whereas other 2 papers, they are the journal articles. Now, next we will go to this co-commenter network. So, co-commenter network are formed when 2 or more people comment on social media content such as Facebook status, update and blog post, YouTube video. A co-commenter network can, for example, be constructed from the comments posted by user in response to video posted over YouTube or Facebook fan page. In these networks, node represent users and link represent the commenting relationship. So here, if we see the comments, then we get an idea of which type of videos to be created next. So I'll show you on my home page. I will open this YouTube creator page. Then I'm able to see the comments on this page. So many people are commenting, but which are replied, they are disappearing from this list. So here, if you see the comments, you will come to know that many users, they have written similar type of comments. So based on this comment, a co-commenter network can be created. Then comes the co-occurrence network. So co-occurrence network are formed when 2 or more entities, that is keyword, people, idea and brand, co-occur over the social media outlet. For example, one can construct a co-occurrence network of brand names or people to investigate how often certain brands or people co-occur over social media outlet. In such network, nodes will be The brand names and the link will represent the co-occurrence relationship among the brands. So this is how the brand network it work on the social media outlet. The nodes will be representing the brand names and the relationship. The links will be the relationship among the brands. Then comes the geo coexistence network. So geo coexistence network are formed when two or more entities, example people, device and address, coexist in a geographic location. Such a network node represent entities, that is people. The nodes will be the people and the link among them represent the coexistence, like two different product, devices, people, they coexist in this world. So this is the geo coexistence network. Then comes the hyperlink network. So hyperlink is a mechanism to move among electronic documentation such as websites. So hyperlink can be referred to as being either in links, that is from which network the traffic is coming into our channel, that is the in links, hyperlinks originating in other websites. So this is very important. Now types of network we will study in the next video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep subscribing.